Hello friends, let us see how we can create a mockup using Smart Object. So let us start. I have taken an image of a billboard. So now what we are going to do is we are going to place a poster, an advertisement poster on this billboard. So we can use it as a template. So I'm going to just put one advertisement poster, and then later on we can create a template out of this file, and then later you can put any kind of design or any kind of pattern or any kind of advertisement on this billboard. So just we have to create a mockup. Mockup is nothing but a file that can be reused again, a ready-made design that can be modified again. So let us start. Let us see how we can do. Right. So the first thing I'm going to do is, see, I'm going to first create a rectangle, and I'm going to adjust that rectangle over this billboard. Okay, I'm going to take a rectangle tool here, and then you can just turn off the stroke here, and just you select the fill. You can pick any color because color is not going to matter at all. So just I'm going to create a rectangle here. Then I'm going to adjust this rectangle, but before that we are going to convert this into a smart object. So how we can convert this into a smart object? Simply you can right click on this layer and select convert to smart object. So now this rectangle layer has become a smart object layer. Okay, now what we are going to do is, I am going to adjust this rectangle over this billboard. So what you have to do is just you have to simply hold control and just move these corners. Hold control and then move these corners and adjust it over the billboard. This billboard is not facing the camera. It is actually perspective. Actually it has to be adjusted in perspective format. So like this. So once you have adjusted the rectangle, so now what we have to do is, now I'm going to put a poster on this billboard. So how I'm going to do that? See, the first thing we are going to do is we have to double click on this smart object. So and where you are supposed to double click, see, you can see an icon here. This icon indicates that this particular layer is a smart object. So just double click on that icon. Right. So now we are into a new document. We have opened a new document actually. See, our original document is over here. So here we have adjusted the rectangle, and this one is inside the smart object. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to get a poster, a product or a brand poster. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to select this Tata Salt advertisement poster, and then I'm going to simply drag it over here. So I'm dragging it inside the smart object. So inside the smart object, not on the mockup actually. Okay, not on the actual original file actually. So now just adjust it properly. Fit the image properly so that you can see the entire image here. So now all you have to do is just simply save it. Just save it. That's it. And then come back to our original file. See. So what we have done here, we have created a mockup. So if you want to put one more advertisement, you can put one more advertisement. See. So now I am going to just double click on this rectangle again. So we are once again inside the smart object. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag one more advertisement and just place it on top of this Tata Salt advertisement. So just adjust it properly and don't forget to save. So the moment you save and then just open your billboard, the original file, see, you will see that the previous ad was replaced by this Pepsi ad. Okay, so we are going to do a similar example again. This time I am going to use a different image. So this time I have taken an image of a mobile phone. So I am going to create a mobile app and I am going to fit it inside the mobile phone. So again I am going to create a mobile app template, okay, or you can say mobile app mockup. Okay, so what I am going to do is again I am going to create a rectangle and then you can just drag it, and the most important thing is we have to convert it into a smart object. So here we don't need perspective, but still you can try your best to adjust it properly. Make sure that it is exactly inside the mobile phone. Right. So once you have adjusted this rectangle, again we have to do the same thing. Just double click on this smart object icon so that you will open a new document. And now what you have to do is, see, you have to bring a mobile app that you have designed, okay, a mobile app screen that you have designed. I have already designed one mobile app. So I have designed this a food related mobile app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply drag this, just a minute, I'm going to just take a common layer and I'm going to drag it and drop it over this rectangle which is inside the smart object. The most important thing is we have to adjust it properly. And try to use the control and adjust it. Hold control and adjust the corners. So that is very important here. Also make sure that it is not stretching. That's it. So now we have adjusted it, and what we have to do now is just simply save. Don't forget to save, and then just open your original file. Now you can see our mobile app is adjusted over this mobile phone template. So you can place any number of mobile apps. This is actually part of our UI design actually. So you can create a number of UIs and adjust them over this mobile phone, and just check how your app is looking on a mobile phone. So this is a very wonderful and a very important use of smart object. So I hope you like this tutorial. Do subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and also don't forget to like, share, and keep giving your comments. See you again.